Hi, my name is Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this Waterdrop ultrafiltration. Have you ever had water and said yuck because it's so gross? Well, that's happened to me. And what I love about this is that it tastes so delicious. The water is so hydrating, and I'm really enjoying it. And so is my family. It's removing things like chlorine, chloramines, a parasite, even heavy metals, bacteria, if you can imagine, even asbestos. So I know those things are harmful to us. And yes, our bodies can handle a lot, but if we're doing it on a daily basis, it's nice to know that you're taking care of yourself and removing those contaminants. It's also not taking out things that water is supposed to give us to hydrate us and make us healthy, such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium. So this water is the ideal water for me, and it tastes incredible. We had a while back, our city made news for the water in the city making people sick. So that could happen to anyone, and I don't want to take that chance. I know that my kids are worth it, and my husband and myself, we need to think about those things, especially if it's something we do every single day. I love how this came with everything I needed. It had the hoses and the filters already. It's a beautiful casing of stainless steel, and it's meant to last. It's very durable, and it was super easy to install because everything was already in it. I also appreciate that this is easy to set under the sink, or you can hang it up on the side. And if you also want water that you know is delivering its best for you and your family and keeping you guys healthy, then this is definitely a wonderful option that we are benefiting from. And that's my point of view.